What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the HPA Motorsports K04 kit for the B8 or B8.5 Audi A4. I wanted to give a shout out to Jonathan and Alan at HPA Motorsports for helping me decide on which kit to get and answering all my questions. I hope this video is helpful for anyone that's considering upgrading their turbo. So for those of you who may not be familiar with HPA Motorsports, they're a family owned and operated company with their grassroots up in Canada, and they're going to be entering their 30th year of business this year. Company motto is passion, precision, performance, and built to be driven. One thing that I really liked about HPA is how responsive they were with answering my questions and how they take pride in their in-house manufacturing and fabrication of most of their parts. Alright, so here's the box that the turbo kit came in from HPA. All in all, the box is in pretty good shape. Had a little ding here on the side. Hopefully everything's still alright though. Alright, let's go ahead and crack her open. Nice. Looks like they gave me a little plate. A little keychain. That's cool. Oh. Alright. Here she is. Wow. First impressions, looks really solid. Gonna actually use the knife to cut this off. Alright, so here's the kit. So this is a hybrid kit where the turbo and the exhaust manifold are all in one. You can see the model there. It's the K04 Hybrid. So one thing that I liked about this kit when comparing it to other kits that were out there in the market is that it has a custom housing with the stock location of the diverter valve, so there's no need to get a diverter valve relocation kit, which makes this whole kit pretty much a direct, easy bolt-on upgrade. So the larger K04 hybrid turbo cartridge on this kit has been clipped a little bit on the exhaust side to reduce the back pressure. All right, let's see what other goodies we got in the bag. Packing list of all the parts. Installation instructions. So this kit comes with all the hardware as well. So we got some gaskets, some hoses, nuts, bolts. And I think there's one more in here. Let me check. So this kit comes with everything that you need to take off your stock K03 exhaust manifold hybrid and put on the K04 from HPA Motorsports. So this kit's going to be going into a 2013 Audi A4. I've been running the stage 2 with a downpipe, front mount, and full exhaust for about 10 months now, and I'm really excited to get this kit on, excited to get it tuned, maybe get it on the dyno, and definitely going to be shooting a lot of clips, both in-cabin driving, exhaust clips, and just turbo noises. This was my first unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really excited to shoot some videos with the kit on the car, so if you want to stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with any feedback, suggestions. You can follow me on Instagram at Philly Audi. I'm pretty active on there, so I'll be posting stuff on there as well. Peace.